Hello again, everyone. Mark J. Weather here on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. All right, overnight temps are going to hover in the 40s for much of the overnight. We'll have cloudy skies, some drizzle, light rain, maybe even a tiny bit of fog, depending on where you are. Then a nice warm-up Thursday. This is February, right? Yeah, it is on my watch. Near 60, cloudy skies with a brief morning shower, a better chance for rain and even some thunder by the evening rush. It'll be a little breezy as well. Okay, 7-day. Friday, another front coming in, so we'll start off your morning at 39 degrees and then falling temps into the upper 20s by late afternoon or evening. I think it's primarily wintry mix during the morning hours, maybe a flurry during the afternoon. Nothing to worry about there. Saturday, 39. Now, Saturday night into early Sunday morning could be a brief, with a warm front nearby, could be a brief little isolated snowflake, but again, nothing to worry about. 45 Sunday. 50s Monday with rain Tuesday, rain and thunder. 60 Wednesday, more rain and 51. Have a great day.